Hello, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2018 Chevy Tahoe Premier. This is a 4x4 model with 102,000 miles. As you can see here, it's all blacked out. Got the beautiful 22-inch wheels. Tires look like they're in really nice shape. Got a lot of meat left on them. Black badges and everything looking good. On the rear here, we've got the towing package with the hitch cover. Of course, if you remove that, you've got all your hookups for towing. This vehicle's got all the good little features, a lot of premium upgrades. It's got rear entertainment, rear bucket seats. It's got the heads-up display, navigation, hands-free, air-conditioned and heated seats. All sorts of good stuff. Let's go ahead and open her up inside. Keyless entry, of course. What we have here is a super clean Tahoe. Got the memory seats, the power windows, the power mirrors, the automatic lights, four-wheel drive, heads-up display, movable pedals, parking assist. Looking good. Sunroof, rear entertainment. All the good stuff. Rear bucket seats. Everything inside is really nice. I didn't see any damages. Nothing looking crazy. Everything's very nice. Let's open up the back door here. Let's see what we got. One of the nice things about the newer SUVs is they do provide you with a 110 hookup as well as a auxiliary and a few other goodies there. You've got HDMI and USB, along with heated rear seats, of course. Third row. Looking good. Got the power tailgate. The window also opens. From back here, you can control the third row with a power assist. You can fold them down, as well as the second row. You can pop them forward too. And additionally, in here is a little additional storage area. We do have this Tahoe available locally and online for sale. So if you're an interested buyer, please pick up the phone and call me directly right now. Best way to get a hold of me is 954-258-2700. If you don't get a hold of me on the first try, please leave a message or send me a text. I'd hate to miss your call. I get a lot of phone calls due to the nature of the online business. Okay, let's go ahead and start this thing up. Keyless start. $102, $568. Got all the good stuff right here. Reverse cam. I have the tailgate up, of course. So go ahead and let's see, pop the hood here. And where is she? There it is. I had no idea where it was. It was right there in front of me. Purrs like a kitten. Again, my name is Brett. My phone number is 954-258-2700. We do have shipping available anywhere in the United States. I get great wholesale rates. I've been shipping for many years. You can shoot me a text and I can get you a quote on that as well. And when you're ready to proceed with one of the purchases of our vehicles, give me a call or shoot me a message. I can gather some info and send you all your buyer's documents via DocuSign for your review. Upon signing, you're free to send payment or pick up your truck in person. Typically, we can ship out within 12 to 24 hours of receiving a cleared payment. So if you'd like to have this Tahoe sitting in your driveway in just a few days, give me a call. I can definitely make it happen for you. I've been a dealer for 15 years, and I love meeting new people. Thank you for the opportunity and watching this Tahoe today. I look forward to speaking with you soon.